Hello everybody and welcome back to another Satisfactory episode. This is episode 13 of the series. In the last episode we were making our copper factory, which you can see it has been completed and everything has been hooked up and it is working. In between episodes I have also been doing a bit of decoration around the place, just sprucing things up, making things look nice. Well, as nice as they can do until I unlock more items. Speaking of unlocking items, I have unlocked 3 more items in the awesome shop. Those 3 items being the conveyor walls, the center, the door walls, and then the gates as well. So we now have those, so we can get in and out of places. Oh, and I also bought the double ramps as well to make the ramps going up and down look a lot better. So while I was doing those bits, our automated wiring has completed and we have the full 100 pieces, meaning that we can complete phase 2 of the space elevator. So let's just go on and have a look at that, and let's submit this and let's see what happens. So submit that 100 in. We've loaded the cargo, we're sealing it, and then once it's ready we can send it off.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 2 project part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 2 will be completed and the construction dock will be constructed. After completion of Phase 2, the technologies of Tiers 5 and 6 will become available in the hub. These might feel intimidating after your previous experience, but rest assured that you would not be here if you were entirely incompetent.
That's good to know.
Highlights are oil production, railway transportation, the jetpack, and many more. Completing Phase 3 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. Just remember to focus on producing and delivering the project parts, and Fixit's faith in you will be strengthened.
Right. So let's get that sent off. And there we go. That has been built. So,
Phase 2 of Project Assembly completed. You have been performing more adequately under pressure and are closer than ever to saving the day. Perhaps you were the right choice for the job. Time will tell. You will now enter Phase 3 of Project Assembly. Continue as you are, and there should be no issue. For humanity. For Fixit.
there we go. So, in top right corner we've got the objectives for what we need to complete phase 3. So it's 2,500 of those so the versatile frameworks, and then I don't know what the other 2. Let's go and have a look at what the other 2 items are, because I am interested, as we are going to be needing to make 500 of one and then 100 of another. So 500 modular engines and then 100 adaptive control units. So we'll have to see how we unlock those and how we use those. Because we've completed phase 2 of the space elevator, it will mean we have more tiers open on the hub. So we've got 5 and 6 now. So in 5 we get jetpacks, oil processing, logistics Mark 4, which looks like we get a new truck, which could be good. Fluid packaging, which got empty canisters, that sort of stuff. And then petroleum power. Okay, you get new scannable resources. In tier 6, we get industrial manufacturing. So this we get a new manufacturer, computer, some new... that's when we get the modular engines and the adaptive controller units. Okay. Looks like we get the monorail train technology. So we start to get trains, which will be very, very good. Railway signaling, pipeline engineering, and then Fix-It Mark II blueprints. Nice, which I presume is a bit of a bigger design, bit of a bigger area would be my guess. 40 by 40 by 40, cool. I think this one will be very good to have because we are starting to run out of space in the area that we do have. Why is that? Don't know why that's flashing. A little bit weird. So, by the looks of it, we need to start making things like the encased industrial beams and motors. So, encased industrial beams we can do pretty easily. So let's go and have a look. So encased industrial beams we should be able to do easily, but I don't know how easily we are going to be able to do them. Let's have a look to see if we can increase our steel ingot output. Something I've done is I've put a little entrance in down here with a walkway going up here to try and make it a little bit easier to get into the base. So looks like we can actually destroy that, which is good. So that's still struggling to pump out steel beams. How's this doing? That's doing steel pipes. Okay. So we need to ramp up production of our steel beams. We might be able to put in another foundry. Because at the moment we've got 1, 2, 3... Can't see how many it is. Oh, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4... We've got 5 foundries. So if we put a sixth one in, it should be plenty. We've got plenty of iron. It's just the coal we seem to be struggling with. I don't know why. That's Mark II. Ah. That might be why we're struggling. Let's get that changed. That's just going to pump coal through really quickly, and then we'll upgrade some of the other... Yeah, because it says that we need 223 coal per minute, so that's why it's not working. Right. Ooh, let's get this changed out, shall we? We'll get some of these changed to Mark IIIs as well. I think I will put another foundry in. Cool, so we got... What am I doing? Oh, that was fine as a one, wasn't it? You don't need it to be any faster, really. Cool, so we can stick another... We could stick another foundry in and just extend this out another one if we want to. We are going to have to move this, though. Just going to bring everything to a stop. Which one did this one... What did this link onto? Huh, that's weird. That one. There we go. Cool, everything's back up and running now. Alright, so we're going to pop a foundry just here. We're missing loads of items. Right, so we want one foundry. We then want another... We'll put another constructor. We'll just have it, and then we want an assembler, and then we want 2 more constructors as well. Cool, and then that should be all that we need. So we just need rotors and modular frames. So let's go and grab those quickly. So We've now got the foundry built. So that's all connected back up again. That needs power. This one will have power. So it's probably not beneficial to actually have one of these. To have these being powered through that, is it? So we'll go... do that instead. So coming off this foundry, we want a constructor, which is going to make steel beams, and we only need it to make 12 per minute apparently. Cool, so that's going to make 12 per minute, and then we want that to go into an assembler. Which means we need concrete to come through from somewhere. We do need to build a bit of a concrete plant somewhere, maybe on this level. So if we built another level above the copper part of the factory, like up here, because we've got that pure node literally just up there. Okay, right, so let's have a look. So for the concrete, we only need 2 constructors over here. Cool. So we need a bit more power. Can we get any power from anywhere? Can we get power from there? You've already got 4. Anyone? Aha. One, 2. Right, so we can now get that one connected up as well. We want these to be making concrete. So we will just get that into a storage container just for the time being. Just because it's good to have. So that then needs to drop down 2 levels. So it's going to drop down 1 more here. And then we want it to go down 1 more. But when we do it, we probably just want it just to go out the bottom here. And then we'll put some of these going across the roof. And then we're going to put a assembler probably somewhere here. I went the wrong way around. Don't want it to stick out too much. Yeah, that works. And then all we need is to have cool. That'll then start popping down into here. I don't suppose that will actually fit. What are you clipping with then? Oh, you are literally only clipping with... Oh, but you sit outside of the... Unless we can have it face this way. Like that. That works. I know that sits outside of the... Just see if we can get down to sit on the inside as well. I think this I can work with that. Actually. I think it look weird if it doesn't line up. Right, then we just need to get this coal and this iron hooked up to here. Let's just destroy that for a minute. And then what we want is more splitters. Let's have a look upstairs and just see where we can put this. Let's go. Because it needs to go over to here, doesn't it? Oh, that's annoying. Ah, I'm not going to get much better than that. I'll take that. I hate that. And then let's go back up to the top and just connect it all up again. Right. And then she'll get this assembler turned back on, get it making the encased industrial beams. Needs power. Where is it getting the power from? It's getting the power from here. So that's going to be making us a lovely 6 per minute. Look at that. So we now have a bit of a very small concrete run going, and then we've got the encased industrial beams, so we'll have both of those being made now. I just want to go back to the hub and just see what there is to unlock again, and probably see what we want to unlock first. So let's go and have a look. So what was it? So we're on tier 5. So do we want to go with a jetpack, which allows pilots to travel through the air with increased control? Automatically consumed from the Pioneer's inventory to refill the jetpack on the ground. Different fuel types can be used and provided. So I think we probably need to go with a certain type of fuel first. Maybe go with this. Try and get this unlocked first, rather than just going straight for the jetpack. I think it'd be a bit more logical. We don't need Mark IV belts just yet. We're not moving that many resources. I think the truck could be good. Just to move items around a bit quicker. So I think we'll go with oil processing first. So, oh look, we've got 5 encased beams already. I think we have some of those. Got 29. So that's going to be something we're going to have to look at making motors. I think it's motors. Yeah, we're going to have to look at making motors. Don't know how easy they are. Can we make them here? I can. I need stators. I should go make a load and just finish this, because then we can finish this milestone off. Might be able to do it now. Let's have a look. To be fair, we need to. I know the encased beams should be coming up into here, shouldn't they? Is it this one? Yeah, look at that. So let's get 500 steel pipes while we're up here as well. 2, 4, that's 500. And then 500 copper sheets as well. I know we have a load of copper sheets somewhere, but 2, 4, 5. And then we want the stators that we have. Cool. We should have enough bits for the... So we could probably finish this milestone right now. Let's go. I think we're going to do that now. Right, I'm going to make a load of motors and then encased steel beams. So I'll be back with you in just a second. So we have all of the encased industrial beams and the motors. So let's get those put in, and we'll press the big red button. Send it off.
Milestone reached. Crude oil can now be extracted and refined to produce various industrially beneficial parts. The byproducts of these processes will require careful management, but a capable pioneer such as yourself surely understands that. To improve efficiency, pipelines can now be optimized with valves to limit and balance their throughput. These were initially left out because Fixit did not want to overwhelm pioneers with complex pipeline management, but they have since been re-added after my impassioned defense of your capabilities.
So, looks like we've unlocked some new things. So we've got a brand new refinery and a brand new oil extractor. I think that... Oh, we've also got a new valve. So limits pipeline flow rates can be attached. Okay. That means we should be able to start making... I'm missing motors. Right, okay. I think what we need to do is we need to start getting a motor factory going, so we can just add it on to the iron factory we've got going on downstairs, because it looks as though we do need quite a few for the, where are they gone? So we need 100 for the petroleum power, we need 50 for the jetpacks, 200 for industrial manufacturing, 250. So yeah, we're going to need a few hundred, and I can't be bothered to craft that myself. So it's probably worth us just getting a small production going of those, just to keep tipping us over. What we'll also need to do is to make a plastic and rubber factory, as we can see here, because they are materials that are going to be needed. So we can get that going. And then, yeah, so we've got some things we can do in the next episode or two. Well, we've always got stuff to do, but that'll be the plan for the next couple of episodes. So what we'll do is we'll call it there for this episode. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!